Qodly lets you build web applications easily for yourself or your clients. Qodly has tools for every layer of your application, from the front end to the back end. In this video, I'll show you how to build a front-end page in the studio. Here, I have a data class, users. I'll make a new web page. Qodly has a drag and drop interface with many components and templates. You can make a table to show your data in cards, and more components and templates are coming soon. I drag and drop a data table component. See how easy it is to bind data. Just drag and drop the data source and the attributes. Here's your data in the table. I'll make a text that changes when you click on the table. I can make the whole form like this. Now, let's improve the table. Qodly has templates to choose from, and more are coming. You can change the table style or the page design. I'll pick a better table and bind it. Simple. I want to add a vertical menu. I can find this template and drag and drop it. You can start with a complete application and customize it as you like. So if you have an app idea, create your sandbox today and try it for free.